So, hello friends, how are you? Today I'll discuss this last three slides. Okay. After that, I going to towards software tools, legal PCB design. Okay. So, in this three lectures, I discuss about this handling procedure of your PCB inspection procedure. Okay. So what we can see here in handling procedure, first also printing has been completed at this point, but it retains quality of PCB board. Okay. So proper handling mechanism is vital. Okay. So here is a handling proper how to the PCB board are making, and its handling procedure are very much important. Okay, this is why the highest number of steps are used in handling procedures. Okay. So I already discussed how can you make your PCB by manually or by machinery. Okay. So here the next point we see that around 12 different stages are done as shown in the figure below to make sure that the quality of PCB is not affected due to silk screen printing, and that information is influenced on the board makes the overall criteria. Okay. So this is the handling procedure. So if you due to your when you make your PCB given this time, so different stages are done. So step by step process, each and every steps, okay, they are independent. Okay, they are not to align each other. Okay, so not affected by each other. Okay, so here next is inspection procedure. Okay, inspection procedure is conducted in middle of handling steps and at the end of processing steps. Okay, so inspection is last one inspection of your PCB. Okay, this process is to check the quality of your PCB panel and visual. Okay, and next the procedure. This procedure and ensure that the information to be properly readable by the human eye on board. Okay, you need to make sure that there are no misprint or missing information. Okay, so you verify test your PCB board after this process. Okay, your PCB are properly right or not. Okay, print properly right or not. You verify this. So I already discussed this. Okay, I am not going much details in this. Okay, is the treatment cell screen process. Okay, treatment cell screen here. In this final stage, the treatment of cell screen print is done and inspection for products readiness. Okay, is made. Here you see, I already discussed how to after this your layout of your PCB main. After this all the processes I already discussed. Okay, how can you make clipping or set your cardboard where you placed your film. Okay, So step by step this process I already discussed. Okay. So here you see this print and inspection of your product label is made once quality assurance is passed. Okay. You have PCB with system process completed. Okay. Next is an emulsion is mixed with a developer. Okay. Emulsion are need for this development. Okay. In a ratio about 10:1. This ratio is 10:1. Okay. Developer and emulsion. Okay. So this is preferable done in dark room. Okay. This mixture is applied. I already discussed this in dark room. Okay. This mixture is applied evenly on the surface of the cells fabric using white using or a similar tips. Okay. Already discussed this, what machine are used and how much time you put your PCB on this machine. Okay. So next it is advisable to apply around 2 layers on each side to make a total of 4 layers. Okay. So this layer must be uniform and there should be not spaces or bubbles. Okay. Now leave it to dry up or accelerate the process using the fan. Okay. And next is once of the depending factors on which some steps in PCB cell screen process tree are method of PCB cell screen that you choose. Okay. Method you choose, which methods are used. Methods of PCB cell screening for your detailed understanding. Okay. So this is the PCB, how to prepare your PCB. Okay. So I will complete my this PPT right here. Okay. After that we going to an Eagle software, how to main thing, how to install Eagle PCB. Okay. How to detailed knowledge about Eagle software. Okay. So I will discuss this briefly in my next session. Okay. So if you write down these notes, okay, so please write down these notes. These are very important for you. Preparation of PCB board, cell screen printing, these points, handling procedures, 2 points are here, inspection procedure, 2 points, okay. And treatment, these 4 points are done. So here you all understand this PCB PowerPoint presentation. So thank you and good luck. Okay. Thank you.